Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Maybe you're like me and you have an older model vehicle, but you still want all the modern conveniences of Bluetooth and CarPlay and all the things. Let me show you this microphone here from FingerLakes. So we have this microphone installed here in a 1993 pickup truck. So definitely before all the extra sound features were put in cars. So this has been a total lifesaver. This truck is really noisy on the road, but this microphone allows for really crystal clear sound quality. I have no trouble understanding my husband when he's driving it. So these are compatible with most Pioneer aftermarket radios, as we have here in my 2004 Land Rover. So in this vehicle as well, we have the exact same microphone installed because we loved it in the truck so much. So definitely a really nice sound quality. It blocks a lot of the extra road and wind noise and just really performs very, very well. So we've been really happy with the sound quality and the functionality of this microphone, and that's my point of view.